5 reasons why IKEA is so popular. IKEA, the Swedish furniture giant, has taken the world by storm with its unique approach to design and affordability. From its flat-pack furniture to its meatballs, IKEA has become a household name and a go-to destination for many looking for stylish yet affordable home furnishings. But what is it that makes IKEA so popular? Here, we explore 5 key reasons behind IKEA's global success. Reason 1: low prices. First and foremost, IKEA is known for its affordable prices. The company operates on a democratic design philosophy, which means that they strive to make furniture that is both functional and affordable. This is achieved through a combination of efficient production methods, a focus on low-cost materials, and a lack of intermediaries between the manufacturer and the customer. The result is furniture that is both stylish and accessible to a wide range of customers, regardless of their budget. Reason 2: stylish designs. Another key reason for IKEA's popularity is its innovative design. The company's in-house design team creates modern and functional furniture that appeals to a wide range of customers. IKEA's designs are often simple and minimalistic, which allows them to be easily incorporated into a variety of different interior styles. This design approach, combined with the company's affordable prices, has made IKEA a go-to destination for many looking to update their home decor on a budget. Reason 3: environmentally conscious. IKEA has made great inroads in improving its reputation for sustainability. The company has invested heavily in renewable energy and uses sustainable materials in the production of its furniture. IKEA also encourages customers to recycle and repurpose their furniture through its take-back program, which allows customers to return their used IKEA furniture to be recycled or resold. This commitment to sustainability has helped to cement IKEA's reputation as a socially and environmentally responsible company. Reason 4: quirky stores. IKEA's unique shopping experience is another reason for its popularity. The company's large-scale stores are designed to be a destination in and of themselves, complete with restaurants, play areas for children, and even small home decor stores. This allows customers to make a day of their shopping trip, and also makes it easy for them to envision how the products they are looking at will fit into their own homes. IKEA also encourages customers to try out the furniture in their showrooms, allowing them to get a sense of the scale, comfort, and style of the pieces before making a purchase. The company's self-service model and flat-pack design also sets them apart from other furniture retailers. Reason 5: worldwide reach. Finally, IKEA's business model allows it to be present in most countries, with over 400 stores in 52 countries. This allows customers to access the brand all over the world, making it a global player in home furnishing. IKEA's strong brand identity and marketing campaigns have helped to build a loyal customer base. The company's quirky and irreverent advertising, along with its catchy slogans, such as "Home is the most important place in the world," have helped to create a strong emotional connection with customers. IKEA's focus on family and everyday life, as well as its focus on affordability, has made it a relatable and aspirational brand for many people.